Hey guys, this is my Gsxr 1000. I laid it down a few weeks ago. Immediately after I laid it down, I started up and rode off. The stator cover was cracked. I replaced that. Obviously, I'm waiting on a part for the sets. My battery is pulling 12.23 volts, which is good. I assume to be good. The bike won't start up. I checked the spark plugs. The spark plugs are getting spark. I pulled all of them out, tested them. I'm really not sure what this part is right here, though. It has something to do with the air pressure inside of the pistons. The line coming in is coming from the tank. The line going out is an air line going to the fuel delivery. So I'm really not sure what this is. That might have failed on me. I'll go ahead and start the bike up. The bike's in neutral. And that's all I get. I'll give it throttle and I got nothing. So, anyone out there knows anything? It's not throwing any codes. I checked it out. No FI light. No codes. C000, the code, like no codes. I got spark. I got air. I don't know much about motorcycles. I'm a car guy, but if anyone knows anything, knows more than me, there's a lot more people that know more than me, but if you could help me out, that'd be a big appreciation. It might be fuel pressure, because there's fuel in the tank, there's good fuel in the tank. I replaced the fuel, because after I laid it down, I didn't ride it for a few weeks. Added fuel, thought that might have been an issue. It might be a pressure thing, so if anyone help, much appreciation. Kudos. Thanks.